cook something myself, and it is one of my favorite, which is aloo fry. It's not French fries, it's aloo fry. I'll show you how to make it, and I'll show you first the ingredients. Let's go to the ingredients. Here I've cut 4 alus in small pieces. You can cut them in little bit size, but not too big, because we are going to fry them, and if you cut them too big, it's not gonna fry too good, and it's gonna stay like that, and it's not gonna boil up. So that's why. And then I'm gonna show you the spices now. We're gonna go with the oil and put it. Because these are 4 potatoes, I'm gonna use 2 cups of oil. This here, I've got 2 cups. I'm gonna one. While the oil heats up, I'm gonna tell you about the ingredients. These are garlics, which I've peeled out. This is salt, garam masala, turmeric, and chili powder. Actually, this is dhania powder, not garam masala, okay? And dhania powder. Then we have 4 potatoes. Now let's go to the heating of oil. I'm gonna put it in high flame so that it heats up fast. And for the trial test, I'm gonna put 1 potato in to see. Okay, if this is happening to the potato, then you can put in all of the potatoes. I'm gonna drain all of them in. Be careful in this time. Ask an adult to help you in this process, guys. It's gonna be a little oily. Very well. Okay, we made the bowl empty. Now I'm gonna put it in sim flame and fry it. You have to fry it until it's golden brownish color. You have to fry it till that. So do not forget to mix it once a while, and you need it to mix well. 2 minutes of mixing, and take our garlic. This is totally optional, guys. You can put it or no. Put it in the middle, all of them. I'm just gonna put everything in there. Like everything, and let it fry for a bit until these color change, and do not mix it until they color change a little bit, guys. If you put it when you are putting the potatoes in the oil frying, then you can mix it. But if you add it after 2 minutes, then you have to wait for another 2 minutes and then mix it all up. One more thing, do not forget that you should not put on the lid. If you put the lid, the water will be drained off, and the alus will become softer and not nicely like a fry. We need it to be crunchy. So do not put the lid on. I'm telling it again. Do not put the lid on. Okay, let's mix. After 2 minutes, I'm mixing the garlics and the potatoes together like this. Make sure it's nice and mixed. Put it in high flame. Yeah, that's the sound. You gotta sound like that. Very well. Now leave it till 2 more minutes. A little while, add some little bit of turmeric to it. Not all the spices, just turmeric. Add a little bit of it to the spice. I'm just gonna mix it up then. You should get a little bit of color, right? Okay. Okay, that's enough. Now it's a little bit yellow. We have to let it fry for a bit. Put it on high flame. After 2 minutes, we have to see if it is boiling. I mean, it is fried in the backside. And if you think it's too much, you have to flip and see. And you can see this one over here. It should kind of like become more darker than that one. So you have to fry it more. Put it on high flame and leave. Flip it for like 2 minutes non-stop. 2 to 3 minutes. Then mix. After that, spread it like this all over the pan without any gaps left and put it on sim. I'm just gonna take all of this out using a knife. I'm gonna use this knife to spread out things. The point to make them, if you think it's done, they should stick together when you lift it up, and they should be stuck to the spoon, or they should be stuck to themselves. You have to wait for a while now until they get fried. Now after 2 minutes, I'm gonna check by the flip. Okay, now they're frying. When this color comes in stiff and transforms, we've got to add a little more spices, which I've shown you before. I've put them all in this container, salt and all them. Now I'm gonna mix them up. Mix it well so that it mixes in. After a bit of mixing and everything's mixed, I'm just gonna put that there and add it to our fry. Just like this. Now I'm gonna mix it all up using the spatula. This is the original color of our aloo fry, which is potato fry. You can call them anyways. You can see that it's frying well, and in this process you gotta spread them, leave it till sim. Now leave it till for 2 to 3 minutes, and let's see what happens after that. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna see it all again, and yes, our fry is totally ready. You just need to leave it for another 2 minutes and it's ready to serve. I'm gonna mix it. Alright. You can see that the oil is all absorbed. The potatoes absorbed all the oil. So, which means you gotta wait for another 2 minutes and your fry is ready to be served and eaten. You can eat this in many ways. You can eat this with chapati, you can eat it with rice, or you can just eat it with sauce. I prefer going with rice. I love it with rice. I always eat it with rice, and one of my favorite stuff too. As you can see, it's all golden brown color and it's ready to be served. Now you can switch that off. So this is our recipe for today, and it's also really tasty, guys. You can try this at your home and tell me how it works out in the comment section below. And see you in my next video, guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe, like and share my video. Bye bye.